such a weird chicken. Do not use a heat gun on your car's trim. It doesn't work. This was me 7 months ago. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna restore the plastic on the side of this. Just a guy, excited, hot, super hot. 95 degrees outside, full of hope, full of desire, full of high expectations. It came out pretty well, I'd say, for a car that has 30-year-old plastic on it. I wish somebody would have told me 7 months ago not to do this. I actually couldn't believe it. It looked really, really great. Right after I did the heat gun thing, I was like, man, if this works, like, bravo, this is the way. Wrong. Let me go show you. Let me show you this now. See where all the plastic fading came back. Like, it just looks blotchier than it did before. Good thing this wasn't my main daily driver. This is just my practice van. This was kind of my testing spots. It looks horrible. So if you're thinking about doing the heat gun plastic restoration, I wouldn't do it, man. I would not mess with that. That doesn't work. It doesn't work at all. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Please watch this one too, and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Look at this weird chicken. Look at his feet.